Hello, good morning. Ako nga pala si Maki Aganon, aka Maki Moto. So first of all, thank you Honda Philippines Inc. and Honda Safety Driving Center for this test ride activity. Actually, nasubukan ko lahat ng 500cc big bikes ng Honda, and ang pinaka-tumatak talaga sa akin is itong Honda NX 500. I think this is one of the best road-focused adventure touring bikes available in the market today, primarily because of the affordable price, low seat height, adequate power, and I think this is one of the best bikes that you can buy if you're a beginner or if you're looking for a bike that you want to use and travel long distance rides. I advise that you also try this bike and see for yourself. Honda number 1.